Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the code for problem A, that is increasing sequence. So let's read the problem statements. We are given a sequence A1 to AN and a sequence B1 to Bn is called good if it satisfies all the following conditions. Okay, and Bi is a positive integer for I equal to 1 to n, and Bi should not be equal to Ai, and another condition is that V1 should be less than equal to V2, strictly less than, and last number should be greater, like basically it should be increasing. And we need to find minimum value of Bn among all the good sequences. Like there are many possible good sequences, but we need to find the this Bn for minimum one. That is the case. Okay, let's see some example. So if you can see first 3, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so now you need to remove this value 1. We can't have it because a1 equal to b1. That should not be the case. That's why we will declare value 2. And if we have 3 and this value should be greater than this value, then and if we give 3 that is greater than 2, but it is also equal to this value, so we can't take this. So we have to take 4. Okay, and now what what is the possible value? That is 5, and 5 is not equal to 2. That's great, so we can keep it 5. And then value is 6, and 6 is equal to 6. That's not possible, so we have to make plus 1, and it will be 7. And similarly for this case, we can write 8 correctly. So this is the sequence, and answer is this value. So I don't think it's so clear. Let's discuss one more example to understand better. So let's have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So this is the sequence right now. So what we can do, like initially we can declare one value because one is not equal to this. So we can choose one. And then we have 2. Okay. And 3 is not equal to 2. That is the good one. So we can write 2 here. Then we have 3. This is not equal to 4. We can write 3. And then 4. We can simply write 4. That is the simple case. So answer is 4 here. And if we have 1, then we can't choose 1 and we have to take 2. And there are more possible sequence. Like let's suppose what you can do, like instead of this sequence, in this case, you can write like that is 5. So you can start with 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also possible, but we need to take the minimum value. That's why this is the sequence. Okay. So like how can we solve this problem? So first and the basic thing is that we need to check if our first value is 1 or other than 1. If we have 1, then our first value will be 2. Okay. And if it is not 1, then it will be 1. So we will declare this as value. Okay. This can be 1 or 2. Depends on the case. 1 is when we have other than 1, or 2 when it is 1, first value. Then you have to make a loop, simply loop from I equal to 1 to n, 1 to n, and just you have to do val is value plus plus, simply plus plus. And then you need to check one more condition, that if this value b of I, basically b of I is equal to val. If this is the case, then we will do val plus plus, val plus plus, and this is the answer. Value is our answer. Okay.